So we can get into the texture. Yeah, that's what I love about having 4C hair. If my hair is going to stick up, it's going to grow out before it grows down. And I'm so ready for it, okay? Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am here with a lock update. I installed my own 2-strand twist C-shape small starter locks, and I am obsessed. It's crazy because about a week ago I was kind of second guessing for a split second, like, did I make them too small? And then I snapped back and I'm like, no, they're perfect. Like, they're going to be so full when they get long, even as they're short. Like, I love it. And I'm going to give you a good spin. I know there are so many people documenting their lock journeys online, but I have a lot of first-hand experience with starting and maintaining locks. I've started between 200 to 300 sets of locks at this point, so I do have a very unique perspective and just more insight into what goes into a lock journey. I started my locks 7 weeks ago on January 1st, and for January 24th, I did my own retwist, and I'll insert a video, short video of what those results look like. I actually 2-strand twisted them during my first retwist. I did end up taking down the 2-strand twist maybe a week and a half later, and they were really crinkly and cute. Many other textures, you're not able to do that. So my clients that I've told, no, we can't do 2 strands for the first few appointments, it's for a reason. I'm not just saying things just to say it, but my texture allows me to be able to do that without worrying about my locks merging or unraveling. Love my retwist. And then just as the steam gets to my hair, as I start to moisturize my hair and everything, it begins to stand up. And it's actually how I prefer to wear my hair. I actually wore my natural hair in a way that resembled this very often. So this is just a look that is easy for me. I feel confident with my hair like this because I've been wearing it like this for a while. As you can see, my roots have definitely grown out quite a bit. It's blonde here. I've been making sure to keep that hydrated. The thing about blonde is some of it is just going to kind of break because you're literally damaging the hair. So I manage my expectations. I make sure that things are growing in healthy, and it is. And we're just gonna grow this blonde out until I can't stand it anymore, okay? With the 7 weeks, I haven't really encountered any challenges. Like I said, I love my hair in this state, so this is not an ugly phase to me or awkward phase or whatever. It's normal, according to me. I have had comments from people, you know, but I'm pretty much used to that. People's unsolicited opinions and things like that. But as far as me, I've had no issues. A couple things that I can do better next month or over the next forever from now until is to make sure that I'm tying my hair up every single night. There are a lot of times where I fall asleep and I think I've just found a way to kind of prop my head up so that, you know, a lot of lint and my head is not constantly rubbing on the pillow, but it's always best to just tie your hair up. So I have been alternating between bonnet and scarf because the scarf will lay them down while the bonnet allows my hair to be wild and free during the night. And so usually when I wake up, it's sticking up, and then I can go from there as far as how I want to style it, whether I want to lay it down a little bit more or whatever. But I like to start with my hair kind of like this. So on nights where I will moisturize my hair and spray it with water, I'll definitely lay it down with the scarf so that it doesn't shrink too much. The scarf will stretch my locks out as they dry, and then they'll be longer in the morning. Maintenance routine, again, I only wash my hair once. I allow the steam in the shower to touch my hair quite often. Sometimes I'll wear a shower cap if I don't want my hair to shrink any more than it already has. But otherwise, a lot of the time, I am allowing the steam in the shower to give me a boost of hydration day to day. Products that I'm using are my Froetry products, which I have mentioned in several videos. I'm using Free Spirit in order to hydrate my hair. I'm using Gensa Essentials spray oil when I feel like it needs a little bit of shine. And then I'm using Froetry Ooh Baby oil directly on my scalp to encourage growth, to minimize itching, and all of that. Sometimes I will use the Believe It's Butter in place of the oil and just melt it down in my hands and then apply it that way when I feel like my scalp may be okay, but the ends of my hair are good. Pretty much using the same products over and over. I do not change what's already working, and it's working very well for me. My hair, for the most part, stays very moisturized for days at a time with the products that I use. Because I do locks so much and I pretty much see the journey every single day, I wouldn't say that there are any new insights in general, but definitely specific to me. I have been thinking a lot about my last set of locks and where I am now in life when it comes to this set of locks. I know I am way more mature. I'm in a place where the ease of locks is exactly what I need. These locks, I appreciate them much more than I did last time. Not to say I didn't appreciate my last set, but this one, definitely appreciate them more this time around. Definitely in a different space, and that's to be expected. Those locks, I started them 4 years ago, so we've done a whole lot of growth. We turned 30 last year, so we done grown a whole lot since then, and it's evident. And yeah, I'm just so much more confident in myself. Any goals for my lock journey? Really to just keep them healthy, keep them hydrated, to continue to embrace all the different changes and seasons in my life and how they affect my hair. Definitely want to prioritize health over anything. But also, I definitely want to experiment. I have always been a creative person when it comes to my hair. And while my locks are short and can lay flat, I definitely have some styles up my sleeve, particularly with wigs. I will not be gluing anything down, but particularly with wigs that I want to try out before my hair gets like way too thick. So I will be doing those soon, and even putting out videos about how to care for your locks under wig. That's really my goal, without too many expectations. Just allow my hair to flourish and do what it needs to do, but also experiment a little bit and have fun with it, and not blame myself or even shame myself for wanting to experiment with other things. It's not the end of the world. A little over a month, I will be going on vacation and I will be in the water. Yes, I will be in the water a whole lot, and so I'm planning to find a style where I can feed some hair into my hair in the most healthy way possible, in a bob so that it's not too heavy. Yeah, I'm excited to do that. I will not make it a habit of adding hair to my hair. It's not even something that I have the desire to do a lot, but on vacation, I definitely want to look cute, and I don't want to have to worry about getting in the water and then my hair like shriveling up and then like all the things. I don't want to have to worry about washing my hair if I want to wash my hair and then having to retwist right after. Whatever I end up doing, I definitely want it to be a bob. Whatever that is will just allow me to be on vacation carefree and not have to worry about it. So I'm going to be doing that. Be on the lookout for that. But even with those, I'm probably going to be taking them out within like 2 to 3 weeks. So I'm not going to be leaving them in too long. They're really for vacation. So if they last a little bit longer than vacation, cool. But if not, I'm fine. Spring and summer is coming up, so hydration is going to be key for me. Sealing the hydration in is going to be key. But I'm really looking forward to the journey. I'm looking forward to this year and even seeing what my hair looks like December 31st. You know, no pressure. No pressure. We're living in the present. They look beautiful now. And I'm so grateful for this journey. I'm grateful to my hair. I'm grateful to myself for keeping my hair healthy and bringing it back from how damaged it was when I combed out my last set. Yeah, I'm grateful and thankful that I have the gift to be able to even do my own. And yeah, here's to 7 more weeks. Where we gonna be at in 14 weeks? My locks is gonna be hitting. Yeah. We'll be at 4.5-ish months at 14 weeks, and my locks are, I know they're going to be budding and doing the things. So we'll check back in probably sometime around then. But in the meantime, if you have any questions specifically about my lock journey, the last one or this one, definitely leave them below. But thank you for tuning in for this update. Again, I am at 7 weeks locks, baby. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video.